Hello and welcome to the video, and this is a 1/18 scale RC 4-wheel drive D90 body which I picked up from eBay. It comes with an interior which the previous owner has already painted, and I bought this 4-inch action figure to be the driver, and I'll be using the body on my black D90 Gelande 2 chassis. Now to fit the driver I need to remove the legs, and that's just a case of popping them off the ball joints, and then I use a bit of hot glue on the base and on the upper back to secure it to the seat. Now I put the interior into the body, and I think the height of the figure is about right. So this is the body on the chassis, and again I think everything is looking okay. Now I think it's nice to have an alternative body for the chassis, and obviously it's a lot cheaper buying a spare body than it is buying another RC just for the sake of having a different coloured body. Now if you buy this blue D90 as a ready to run, it actually comes with white wheels. But I will run mine with the black wheels that are already on the chassis unless I find a cheap set of white ones on eBay in the future. Okay, thank you for watching, and I shall finish off this video with a little run.